Before we are read about Srimad Bhagavatam, so we can sing it a while, yeah. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Janna Vallabha Girivardhari Jaya Gopi Janna Vallabha Girivardhari Yasodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yasodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Janna Vallabha Girivardhari Jaya Gopi Janna Vallabha Girivardhari Yasodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yasodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Namo Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin iti namine Namo Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin iti namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesa Sunyavadi Prastasya Desatarine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesa Sunyavadi Prastasya Desatarine Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Adwaita Gadadara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhaktavindam Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Adwaita Gadadara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhaktavindam Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Srila Prabhupada, Jaya 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 Gauranitai, 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 Jaya Gauranitai. Jaya Jaya Gauranitai, 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 Jaya Gaya Gauranitai. Gauranitai, Gauranitai, Jaya Jaya Gauranitai, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol. Sri Sri Radharanath की जय, श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय, गौरा निताई की जय, निताई गौरा प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskristam Naram Tamam Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswati Vyasa Tato Jaya Mudirayed. Vandeham Ramayana Chaiva Purane Bharate Tata Adavante Chamadvecha Hari Sarvasya Gityate Mukang Karati Vachalang Panggong Langgayati Girim Yat Kripatam Ahang Vande Sri Gurum Dinatarine Paramananda Madhavam Paramananda Hemadawa Padungga Ruci Makarando Paramananda Hemadawa Padungga Ruci Makarando Semakaranda Kanakari Andande Bolo Hari Hari Semakaranda Panakari Anande Bolo Hari Hari Arinka Name Wandawela Parikari We Chakadola Arinka Name Wandawela Parikari Vechakadola Sechakadola Payare Manamo Rahu Nirantare Sechakadola Payare Manamo Rahu Nirantare Manamo Nirantare Rahu Krishna bole jiwa jao Krishna bole jiwa jao Monte udara radadawo Monte udara radadawo Monte udara radadawo. Hare Krishna. Namo Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prastaya Putale Srimati Gora Govinda Swaminathin. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Prabhu and Mataji. We are meet again. Now we are speaking from the Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, Chapter 25 and Sloka 20, right? This is about the Narada Muni instruction for the king of who's the king? Pratinarabhischat, yeah. Because that king he is expert in karma kanda, and also he is expert also in the Vedic knowledge like that. But he doesn't know about the bhakti. So now Narada Muni instruct him to how to explanation about the bhakti and how we are entangled in material world. This Prachinabarisat, King Prachinabarisat, hearing about that, then Narada Muni tell story of King Puranjana. Yeah, this is story of King Puranjana. Yeah. We are now read the first. Yeah. Yadrichaya gatam tatra Yadrichaya gatam tatra Dadarsa pramadottamam Dadarsa pramadottanam Britair dasabirayatim Britair dasabirayantim Ekaya satanayakae Ekaya satanayakae Yadrichaya gatam tatra Dadarsa pramadottamam Britair dasabir ayantim Ekaya satanayakae. Please read. Read. Tatam tatra Dadarsa pramadottamam Bratre dasayat yayantim Once again. Yadrichaya gatam tatra Dadarsa pramadottamam Britaer dasa berayantim. Eka ika satanaryakai. This is translation. Yasoda. Disappear. 25. Here, Narada Muni spoke to King Prachinarbhahisat about the 25:20 or 25:20. Okay. Let we read about the meaning word by word. Yadrichaya, all of the sudden. Sudden without engagement. Agatam, arrive. Tatra, there. Dadarsa, he saw. Pramada, one moment. Uttamam, very beautiful. Britai, surrendered by serpent. Dasabe, 10. Awantim, coming forward. Eka eka, it's one of them. Sataha, of 100. Namakai, the leaders. Translation. While wandering here and there in that wonderful garden, King Puranjana suddenly came in contact with a very beautiful woman who was walking there without any engagement. She had 10 servants with her, and each servant had 100 of wives accompanying him. Please repeat. While wandering here and there in that wonderful garden, King Puranjana suddenly came in contact with the very beautiful woman who was walking there without any engagement. She had 10 servants with her, and each servant had 100 of wives accompanying him. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. The body has already been compared to a beautiful garden. During yat, the sex impulse is awakened, and the intelligence, according to one imagination, is prone to contact the opposite sex. In yat, a man or woman is in search of the opposite sex by intelligence or imagination. If not directly, the intelligence influences the mind, and the mind controls the 10 senses. 5 of that sense gather knowledge, and 5 walk directly. Each sense has many desires to be fulfilled. This is the position of the body and the owner of the body, Puranjana, who is within the body. So here we can elaborate. Here in King Puranjana actually asks the conditioned soul, like that. The city is actually, or the garden actually, the human body. Yeah. Then beautiful woman is our intelligence. Yeah. And then the 10 servant, this is 10 senses. This is our condition actually. Narada Muni explained to the king about the conditioned soul in material world. How they are entangled here in this material world, like that. While and our, as a conditioned soul, we are wandering, right? Wandering everywhere in the universe, material universe, like that. Like the sloka, Brahmana, Brahmitikonya, Bhagyawan Jiwa, who is the very fortunate Jiwa, they will be know about the Bhakti Latabij, like that. So, King Puranjana is the picture of our conditioned soul. And then, the beautiful woman is the intelligent, our intelligent. Yeah. Our intelligence is very, this is must be very carefully we are thinking about that. Yeah. Then she had 2 servant, 10 servant. Intelligent, because intelligent will be control the senses. 10 serpent mean 10 senses. 5 walking senses, then 5 the intelligent senses, like that. Yeah. Srila Prabhupada said, explain the beautiful woman representative of material intelligence. So, if material intelligence influence us, so we will be entangled in the material world. If our intelligence, this is purified, then intelligence will bring us to Krishna, like that. So, 5 senses gather knowledge, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. And for walking senses, hand, leg, speech, genital, and anus. But of that, among of 10 senses, is very, very important and then very difficult to defeat is tongue. And number 2 is hearing. Hearing is very important to us, because Srila Prabhupada said all the senses can help us when we are awake. But when we are asleep, only hear can protect us, like that. So just hearing is very very important. Yeah. Here, if intelligence influence the mind, then intelligence will be, mind will be walking like a Hare Krishna. Walking, and also will be do whatever intelligence instructs, and mind will be control the senses, and then mind instruct the senses to go and also to walk accordingly, like that. Here, Ekahiya Sata Nayaka. Each senses has unlimited engagement. So, like the 10 servant, and each servant has 100 wife. So, unlimited engagement, like eyes. Eyes will be catch up by the beautiful woman, beautiful area, whatever, and also very attractively, attractively everything, like want to see movie, want to see the advertisement to satisfy our senses, like that. So here, if you want to, then also Prabhupada said, and also Shastra said, this is senses very difficult to control. Cannot force. Senses cannot force, control by force, like that. Especially tongue, because tongue has two functions, right? For the one was for the taste, and then one argue for talking, like that. And then that tongue will make us degraded down to the neraka, although because of tongue we can come to Krishna, like that. And also in the among of our organ in the body, only tongue not have bone. So this is very, very dangerous. Tongue is very dangerous. So if you want to become devotee, you have to engage tongue in the spiritual benediction, like that. Here, Srila Prabhupada said, as a Bhagavad Gita, second chapter, sloka 62, they said, Dhyayato nisayam pungsam sangat tesam pajayate, sangat sangayate kama, kama kroda vijayate. While contemplating the object of senses, a person develops attachment, for them, and from such attachment, lust develop, and from lust, anger rise. This is very, very dangerous, And in material world, including Brahma and Shiva, is subject to the influence of sense object. Cannot control. Sense object cannot control with anybody, even Brahma. You can understand the story of Brahma, how Brahma chasing his daughter, right? Saraswati, named the daughter also Saraswati. He's chasing because she is so beautiful. He is forget she is his own daughter. And Shiva also, Shiva also, he break his tapasya because Parvati want to, have a child like that. So he break. Cannot. So how one very difficult to control the senses, like that. Because in that sloka, because of karma, in material world, that karma will become anger. Anger delusion arise. If delusion arise, from delusion bewilderment is, because we are forget. We are not a body. We are is a soul. because a bewilderment of memory, then I have forgetful of that I am not the body. Then, yes, like that. If like that, then automatically the senses under the instruction of mind will do sense gratification to satisfy the body, like that. So, if you do that, the more you will entangle in material world, like that. After that, we cannot do anything. We are just running like that. Yeah. Then also, we forget whatever, and also the delusion and moha, illusion will be coming. A big illusion coming is we are identity ourselves as the body, like that. So why? Prabhupada said this here, we cannot control sense forcefully. Senses should be supply something not artificially. So we have to move the attraction of senses in material attraction to spiritual attraction, like that. Then after that we can control the senses, otherwise no. Here in Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 170, also in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu said, Sarvapadi nirmuktam tatparapto nirmalam rasikena rasikesa sevanam bhakti ruchyate. Bhakti or devotion service mean engage all our senses in the service of the Lord. Special our hearing and our tongue, like that. So if we are engage them like that, yeah, then automatically we are freed from all material distraction. And number two, one's senses are purified. So, if the senses purified, and immediately we can do bhakti, we can do devotional service. Yeah. Then, if we do devotional service, then we can free from entangle of the material world. Yeah. So like that. So how we can purify the senses? In Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 177, chapter 7, and Sloka 7 said, this is very easier to how purify our mind and intelligence. This is said, Yasyam vai sruya manayam Krishne parama pursa bhaktir upadyate pungsam soka moha baya paya. Mean, if you just only do just only hearing, just simple by giving, oral, by giving oral reception to this literature, Srimad Bhagavatam, the feeling to loving devotional service to the Lord Krishna arising. Yeah. So, and sprout up at one the extinguish the fire of lamentation, illusion, and fearfulness. So, very nice. Only you just ready to hearing Srimad Bhagavatam daily, then you will be purified your heart, and immediately you can remove Soka, Moha, Baya. What is Soka? Soka is lamentation. Moha means illusion, and Baya means fearfulness, like that. So treating our disease in material world will be vanquished when we are hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. This is very easy, right? So by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, we can control our ear. And when we are hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, that kata, Bhagavat kata, will enter to our heart. Because no need we are do purification. That kata will purify our heart. And then when our heart is purified, automatically the dormant of our identity arising. What the dormant of identity is? Sat, Chit, and Ananda. Right? Sat, we are understand we are eternally. We are soul. And then number one, number two is Sat, Chit, full of knowledge. Actually, we are full of knowledge. But why we are dull? We don't know anything. We are in ignorant. Because our heart is full of the sinful activity dust. Like that. So, if the dust become purified, become cleansing, then automatically you have a knowledge. You can understand what you, who is you and who is the Krishna, why we are do service to Krishna. Automatically like that. Then Ananda. Ananda means blissful. We are actually blissful. But now why we are not blissful? Because that soul covered by very, very bad dust there, like that. If you are become devotee, must be happy. Then I will asking you, are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Who is not happy? So, if you are become devotee not happy, mean we have to question something wrong there, something there. If you are happy, then your Krishna consciousness improve, like that. This is the symptom of the devotee who is get rasa in Krishna consciousness. Like Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is always happy, ecstatic, right? Even he is also can influence the animal in Jarikanda. And again, they are all automatically dance with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like that. So here is very clearly. And then also here, again, we are talk about the hearing already, and now about the tongue. Tongue has two functions, as I mentioned before. Then must be purified by what? Tongue we will purify it by what? Two tastes. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Jiwa vegam, udaro pasto vegam. And not Bhaktivedanta Thakur, Rupa Goswami said in Upadesa Mrita. Yeah. This is control of the argue of the tongue can control belly and genital, like one line. So first we have control tongue, how to eat like that. Then Bhaktivedanta Thakur said, Jive pele visaya sagore tat aramadya jiva jihva ati. Mean control the tongue for the argue to the taste, everything is only eat prasadam, number one. And for the control the speak, to speak, the tongue, yeah. This is, we can control the tongue by the speak. This is in Chintamani, said, yeah. Krishna nama Chintamani Ananda Chinmaya Jai Krishna Say Nama Ekatatanaya. Lord Krishna name is like an eternal and transcendental touchstone. If we are uttering Nama, and then Prabhupada always said, if you are chant Hare Krishna, Krishna dancing in your tongue, like that. Only Krishna Nama, only Krishna Lila, and uttering Krishna Nama, Krishna Lila, and everything activity, then the tongue will be purified. Otherwise, no. The tongue argue is want to become speak anything like gossip. That tongue very much attractive with the gossip. That gossip will be make us degraded and also make us do aparat like that. So let the tongue we control by the uttering name of Krishna. Otherwise cannot. We cannot control tongue with other thing like that. So Prabhupada give us everything. And then Prabhupada also, when Narada Muni said about the story of King Puranjana, this is how we are our condition so degraded. But Prabhupada also give us how to become coming out from that situation clearly and also very easy. Easy to understand and easy also to execute. I mean to do, right? Like control the tongue, we cannot forcefully, but we can bring that tongue to taste a higher rasa, like that two things, speak and taste. So, in that case, a tongue will be controlled. If the tongue will be controlled, then we will be more clean our heart from the tongue and from the hearing of the Krishna Katha and Krishna Prasadam. There's only two things can control everything and can also change our mind or intelligence from material intelligence like symbols of the very beautiful woman, become to the spiritual intelligence. Jai, very nice. And then also, yes, little bit, yeah. Yes, almost finished. Actually, so many things I want to speak, but the main thing already I explained. So, actually, I went to little bit singing of the Bajahure. Yeah, because Bajahure means we are control the mind first. This is the first one we have to control is the intelligence or mind, right? Through two things, through the hearing Srimad Bhagavatam and to speak or utter Mahamantra and eat prasadam. Like that. So now we are a little bit singing for purified our heart from the hearing. We are hearing now the prayer of the Acharya. Prayer of the Acharya is very needed for us because they rise their relationship, their rasa, how to become servant of God or how to become devotee. This is from Govinda Dasa, yeah, the song. Bajahure mana Sri Nandanandana Abaya Charanara Vindare Abaya Charanara Vindare Durlabha Madhava Janama Satsange Durlabha Madhava Janma Satsange Taroe Bhawa Sindure Taroe Bhawa Sindure. Oh mine, just worship the lotus feet of the son of Nanda, which make one fearless, yeah, fearful. And then when we are worship lotus feet of the Nandana, then fearful become fearless, yeah. Having obtained this rare human birth, cross over this ocean of worldly existence through the association of saintly person. This is clearly. Sita atapa ataparijana edina jamini jagire bipale sevenu kripana durajana capala sukalaba lagire abaya charanara vindare Abaya Charanara Vindare. Both in the day and the night, I remain sleepless, suffering the pain of the heat and cold, the wind and the rain. For the fraction of flickering happiness, I have uselessly served wicked and miserable men. Edarayo wana putra parijana etike ace paratitire kamala dala jala jiwana tatamala bajahu hari pada nitire abaya charanara vindare Abaya Charanara Vindare. What assurance of real happiness is there in all of one's wealth, yet fullness, son and family members, This life is stuttering like a drop of water on a lotus petal. Therefore, you should always service and worship the divine feet of Lord Hari. And then last one. Sravanam kirtanam smarana vadanam pada sevana dasare pujana sakijana atmani vedana Govinda dasabi lasare abaya charanara vindare abaya charanara vindare. It is the desire of great longing of Govinda Das to engage himself in the 9 process of bhakti, namely hearing the glories of Lord Hari and chanting those glories, constantly remembering him and offering prayer to him, serving the Lord Lotus feet, serving the Supreme Lord as a servant, worshipping him with flower and incense, and so forth, serving him as her friend, and completely offering the Lord one's very self. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Gora Bhaktawinda ki jai. Hari Bol. Oh, any question? Maybe not question because the time. Any question? No? Okay. We have finished our Srimad Bhagavatam today. Hare Krishna. Vancakalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhu bhayavacha patitanam pavinibhyo vaishnavibhyo namo. Hare Krishna.